Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. If you're looking for natural ways to boost your hair growth and health, you've clicked on the right video. Today, we're diving deep into the top 3 natural organic treatments for your scalp that can work wonders for your hair. Coconut oil, aloe vera, and rosemary oil. So grab a notebook because you'll want to take some notes. Let's get started. First up is coconut oil. This amazing oil has been used for centuries in various cultures for its incredible benefits. But why is it so great for your hair? Let's break it down. Coconut oil is rich in medium-chain fatty acids, particularly lauric acid. This unique composition allows it to penetrate the hair shaft more effectively than other oils. Studies show that it reduces protein loss from hair, which can lead to stronger, healthier strands. Not only does it nourish your hair, but coconut oil also has antimicrobial properties that can help keep your scalp healthy. A healthy scalp is essential for hair growth. It helps fight dandruff and other scalp infections, ensuring your hair follicles can thrive. So, how can you incorporate coconut oil into your routine? Here's a simple method. Take a few tablespoons of organic coconut oil and warm it up until it's liquid. Massage it gently into your scalp, ensuring you cover all areas. Leave it on for at least 30 minutes or even overnight for deep conditioning. Then wash it out with gentle shampoo. Make sure to do this treatment once or twice a week for optimal results. You'll notice your hair becoming softer and more manageable, and your scalp will thank you. Next, let's talk about aloe vera. This succulent plant is often hailed as a superfood for skin, but it's equally fantastic for hair health. Aloe vera is packed with vitamins A, C, E, and B12, as well as folic acid. These nutrients are essential for healthy hair growth. Additionally, the enzymes in aloe vera help to remove dead skin cells from the scalp, promoting a healthier environment for hair to grow. One of the standout benefits of aloe vera is its moisturizing properties. It hydrates the hair and scalp without leaving a greasy residue. This is particularly beneficial if you have dry or damaged hair. To use aloe vera, simply take a fresh leaf, cut it open, and scoop out the gel. You can apply this gel directly to your scalp and hair, massaging it in for a few minutes. Leave it on for about 30 minutes before rinsing it out with lukewarm water. For added benefits, you can mix it with coconut oil or a few drops of your favorite essential oil. Try this treatment once a week and you'll be amazed at how shiny and healthy your hair can look. Finally, let's explore rosemary oil. This essential oil is often underrated, but it's packed with benefits for hair health. Research has shown that rosemary oil can stimulate hair growth and improve circulation to the scalp. It works by increasing blood flow, which nourishes hair follicles and encourages growth. Some studies even suggest that it might be as effective as minoxidil, a common hair loss treatment. Rosemary oil also helps to prevent hair loss by strengthening hair follicles. Its antioxidant properties combat the damaging effects of free radicals, keeping your hair healthier in the long run. Using rosemary oil is simple. Always dilute it with a carrier oil, like coconut or jojoba oil, before applying it to your scalp to avoid irritation. Mix about 5 drops of rosemary oil with 2 tablespoons of your chosen carrier oil, then massage it into your scalp. Leave it on for at least 30 minutes before washing it out. You can do this treatment 1 to 2 times a week. Consistency is key to seeing results. So there you have it, 3 amazing natural organic treatments for your scalp: coconut oil, aloe vera, and rosemary oil. Each of these has unique benefits, and when combined, they can create a powerhouse routine for your hair health. Give these treatments a try and let us know in the comments how they worked for you. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more natural health tips. Until next time, take care of your hair and your scalp. Thanks for watching.